this is Meredith Eisenberg, the Internet Monster Tamer, and I wanted to do a quick review of the new features in One Shopping Cart or Easy Web Automation, whichever brand you use of it. I'm really excited about this because they've worked very hard to really incorporate some changes that are going to make it a lot easier to send your autoresponders and your broadcasts in One Shopping Cart. So first of all, the first change that you'll see is when you go to the broadcast menu, everything you need to know about a sent message is right there on the first screen. So you don't need to go into a separate job status screen. You have the sent date and the subject and how many were sent and how many were actually opened and whether it was sent or not. And then if you want to use that same message again, you can go ahead and open it. And unlike the previous version of One Shopping Cart, the autoresponder selection is right up front, and it remembers who you sent, which list you sent the message to the previous time. And you can go ahead and change the list. In this case, I'm just going to change it to a test list that I have, and of course you can click more than one thing to send it to more than one list, and then it remembers all of the information. And then what's really exciting, especially for those of us who live not on the East Coast, it used to be that One Shopping Cart, if you set it for a certain day, it would send it at midnight Eastern that day, which meant the people in California were getting their messages at 9 o'clock at night. Now you can choose when you would like to send your message just by clicking later, and then you can go ahead and put the time and the date you want to send the message right in there, and you can send it later, which is also very, very cool. And the other new thing in One Shopping Cart is the templates, and you can go ahead and access them through clicking this template. I've done a couple of custom templates, but One Shopping Cart also comes with a bunch of really pretty new templates that you can use for emails. One of the disadvantages of One Shopping Cart in the past has been that this is really nice, and you can go ahead and pick the template that makes the most sense for you. So it's very cool, and they work well in Shopping Cart, and they don't get all messed up. What used to happen before is it was very easy for newsletters to get a little messed up in the Shopping Cart, and this has it has invitations, has coupons. You can go ahead and send people a coupon. So you could use a coupon, and all of these there are different families, so you can go ahead and pick a look and customize it slightly and have a strong branding for your company. So that's very nice, and it's a very good feature. You can also, if you have a template already created in HTML, like I do, I have a newsletter that I do for someone, and this is a copy of that. I've created a template of that for her, so that now I don't have to go ahead and keep using old messages. I can just bring up the template and use that each time. So it's very... On the autoresponder side, the thing that I think that is a very nice addition here is that, yes, you can go ahead, and it has the same features as the broadcast, where you can use templates, and there are different templates available and all of that, but it also has a new thing that's generate from code, which is right here, so you can go ahead and do your opt-in forms right from the autoresponder menu, which I think is terrific. So I'm very excited about this. I'm going to be updating my Tame the Internet Monster Shopping Cart training class to include how to do some really great newsletters in One Shopping Cart using these new features. If you want more information on that, go to tametheinternetmonster.com/shoppingcart.